Add sugar later is a step. It's a part of the steps, okay? Hey! Wait. ASMR. Hi, my name is Krista Giltner and I'm a 10th Street Times reporter. And today we're going to be making a traditional Danish recipe called AebleSkiver. AebleSkiver is a traditional Danish recipe. It's got the consistency of a pancake and it's in the shape of a ball that was formerly made in around the 1930s and is a tradition that people carry on today. Let's make it together. For the first step, you're going to need 2 eggs and you're going to need 2 bowls to separate the yolk in and out in. And try to separate the yolk as well as you can. Put the yolk in the other bowl. And then do this again with the second egg. Now you'll pour in your egg whites and whisk it up so it gets a very frothy and stiff peaks. Like this. Now grab your buttermilk and pour in 2 cups. Now measure out 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Next, combine everything into a large bowl. Whisk to combine. Now scrape the sides to make sure it is evenly combined. Now you're going to take your egg whites and you're going to gently fold them into your mixture. Folding consists of getting the bottom part of the mixture and then taking over the top of the mixture you just added in. So in this case, the batter over the egg whites. And this is our completed batter. Now turn it on medium heat. We're warming up our AebleSkiver pan. This is a specific pan for AebleSkiver and it is focusing on making them into the shape that is traditionally known. While it was heating up, we added a little bit of oil to each of the bottom parts of the cup. Now pour a little bit of the batter into each cup. We're gonna wait for the bubbles to form around the edges and then we flip them. When they puff up, you can use your chopstick or a traditional Danish culture, a knitting needle, and you flip them over.
And here is our final result.
Tastes like honey.
I like it. That wasn't in fact put on it. Okay, good. This part's probably gonna be sped up.
Tastes like
thought it
pita.
was
Like
pita
bread? Yeah. Well, I guess it's fried. So I can see that.
good. Oh my god.
Okay.